Which pickup truck gadgets are actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the best. Today, I'm sharing 5 clever gadgets that can make your truck life a whole lot easier. Product number 1, Lovita Cargo Grabber. First up is the Lovita 6.3 feet magnetically mounted cargo grabber. This tool caught my eye with its sleek design and powerful magnetic features, priced at $39.98. If you want to effortlessly access items in your truck bed, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's talk about why this tool is such a game changer for truck owners. The 3.0 magnetic power pull feature allows you to retrieve items up to 200 pounds with ease, which is perfect if you often haul heavy loads. It telescopes from 2.5 to 6.3 feet, giving you flexibility depending on what you need. Plus, it comes with an additional metal plate for those non-metal truck beds, making it super versatile. With over 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.6 star rating, it seems like many users are thrilled about its effectiveness. However, I did notice some feedback about the magnetic strength not being enough for certain heavy items. Here's the thing though, while it might struggle with exceptionally heavy or awkwardly shaped items, for the everyday gear and tools, it's more than capable. This is perfect for you if you're someone who frequently hauls equipment or gear in your truck. Skip this one if you hardly use your truck bed or only carry light items. For $39.98, it delivers solid value. Now, if the Lovita Grabber's magnetic limitations concern you, the next product on our list offers a different approach to cargo security. Product number 2, Keeper Adjustable Cargo Bar. Next up is the Keeper Adjustable Cargo Bar, priced at $37.99. This adjustable bar immediately stood out to me with its sleek design and sturdy construction. If you want to keep your cargo secure during transport, this is definitely worth checking out. The Keeper Cargo Bar expands from 40 to 70 inches, making it suitable for a wide variety of truck beds. The rubber grip pads provide a dependable hold, ensuring your items stay put even on bumpy roads. With over 7,000 reviews and a 4.5 star rating, it's clear that many truck owners trust this product to keep their cargo safe. Some users have complained about the bar occasionally slipping if not properly secured. But here's the thing. If you take a moment to ensure it's tightly ratcheted down, it holds everything in place perfectly. This is ideal for you if you regularly transport goods or equipment that needs secure placement. Skip it if you rarely carry anything heavy. Considering its durability and reliability for just under $38, it's a great addition to your truck toolbox. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for organizing smaller items. Product number 3, ASIL Sunglasses Holder. Coming in at just $5.96, we have the ASIL Sunglasses Holder. I was impressed by its simple yet effective design. If your sunglasses often end up scratching or rolling around in your truck, this is definitely worth a look. Made from microfiber leather, this holder securely grips your glasses with a strong magnetic clip, ensuring they stay in place even on rough roads. It's lightweight at just 2.11 ounces and fits snugly on your sun visor, making it easy to access your eyewear. With a 4.7 star rating from 2,400 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its practicality. Some buyers mentioned that the magnet might weaken over time. But honestly, for the price, if it lasts even a year or two, it's still a great deal. This is perfect for anyone who drives with sunglasses or reading glasses. Skip this if you don't use glasses while driving. At under $6, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile for your truck's interior, check out our next gadget. Product number 4, CanSmart Sunglass Holder. Next is the CanSmart Sunglass Holder, priced at $6.59. I love its premium leather finish and reinforced magnetic closure, which caught my attention right away. If you want a stylish and functional way to store your glasses, this is a great option. The CanSmart holder not only keeps your sunglasses secure with its strong magnetic closure, but it also doubles as a ticket card clip. You can easily grab your parking tickets without fumbling around. It fits most sun visors and is made to avoid scratching your glasses, which is a huge plus. With a 4.7 star rating from nearly 5,000 reviews, many are raving about its quality. However, a few users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky for smaller visors. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard visor, you won't have any issues. This is perfect for anyone who wants a chic way to store sunglasses and tickets in their truck. Skip this if you have a very slim visor. With its price point, it's an easy recommendation. Now, if you're more focused on tools and accessories, our next product will be right up your alley. Product number 5, Chinpart Toolbox Mounting Kit. Finally, we have the Chinpart Truck Toolbox Mounting Kit, which costs just $9.99. This might not sound exciting, but I found it incredibly useful. If you've struggled with securing your toolbox in the back of your truck, this is definitely worth a look. The mounting kit features sturdy aluminum J-hooks that reduce vibration and noise, keeping your toolbox securely in place even on bumpy rides. The no-drill installation is a significant advantage, preventing potential rust damage to your truck bed. With a 4.7-star rating from 878 reviews, it seems that many users appreciate its effectiveness and ease of use. Some customers pointed out that the hooks can be tricky to align correctly. But honestly, as long as you take your time to install it properly, it works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable way to secure your toolbox without hassle. Skip this if you already have a secure mounting solution. For $10, it's a solid investment in your truck's functionality. So there you have it. The Lovita Cargo Grabber, Keeper Adjustable Cargo Bar, ASOL Sunglasses Holder, CanSmart Sunglass Holder, and Chinpart Toolbox Mounting Kit. Each gadget brings something unique to the table. So depending on your needs, any one of them could be a great addition to your truck. Happy hauling!